Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, Facebook. Gonna give it just a second while I pin what I'm doing today, and we could get started. So good morning. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, and I am here coming to talk to you about all things mind, body, and skin. Today's feed. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today's live stream is about the Claws drink. Today I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to make the Claws drink, CLAWSE, without my added ingredients. And I am thinking I'm going to probably jump back on live later on and break down the benefits of cayenne pepper. Awesome, Juicy Fruit. She has her juice, her drink. I'm excited about that. So later on today, I'm going to jump on maybe for about 15-20 minutes and break down exactly all the benefits of cayenne pepper, because I feel that it's great that you're drinking a drink to cleanse out your system, but if you understand the benefits of each ingredient, it makes it more powerful and more impactful. Doriel is on day 175 and I am on day 10. And it's so funny, I noticed this morning my eyes are very watery, very, very, very watery. So I know that's good. So let's get started. For those of you that are already on this juice drink journey with us, I'm so excited that you are, and I want to hear what you're going through, your symptoms. Those of you that have never done it, you definitely want to treat your body to the Claws drink for at least minimum of 7 days. The best time frame to do it is at least 21 days, because 3 weeks really gives your body a chance to, process what you're doing, eliminate toxins, start seeing your skin clear up, even see a little weight loss. I have another customer, she lost 8 pounds. I'm not doing this to lose weight, but listen, I don't mind the extra benefits, so, and I could use it. So I'm excited about that. Doriel, your eyes were cloudy. That's good. I'm still like blinking my eyes because it's watery. So C is for cayenne pepper. You only need a tip. Now I'm going to say I like cayenne pepper, so I'm going to add an extra tip to mine. Do what's best for your body. If you're used to eating cayenne pepper, go ahead and put a little bit more. If you're not used to having cayenne pepper, please start with a little bit. And for those that have high blood pressure, kind of do your own little research, because I hear both sides of not using cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper is good for high blood pressure. So again, I am not a medical expert. I love the body. I do a lot of research on the body, but I'm not a medical expert with any type of degree or license. So please take the moment to do your own research, whatever health conditions you have. Take the time to use Google University, read several articles, and figure out if the ingredients are good for your particular medical condition. So C is for cayenne pepper. This is what I put in mine. L is for lemon. I'm going to use half a lemon. And again, also, if you have issues with acid, I don't mean acid reflux, because I hear apple cider vinegar is very good for acid reflux. But if you can't have lemon and apple cider vinegar, or you can't have it through the jar, take it as a shot, as you're going to see me do. Do what's best for your body. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing that I can share with you. L, so we have L for lemon, A for apple cider vinegar. As you know, apple cider vinegar irritates my teeth, so I'm going to put mine on the side. And you could put yours in your drink. So mine is on the side. Put yours in your drink. I had a bagel yesterday, so I know why it is so cool. during this journey, you learn so much about your body that you know when you eat just a little bit off, how your body reacts. It's so, I mean, this journey is just amazing. Just even to understand your body more, this is an amazing drink to do. Okay, so C for cayenne pepper, L for lemon, half a lemon, A for apple cider vinegar, W for water. So if you guys notice, I didn't do anything extra today. I'm doing just the basic Claus drink. I didn't add my 4 ingredients. I didn't boil my water to add ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and not cayenne pepper, cloves and garlic. I'm just doing the basic Claus drink, the acronym's Claus. So W for water, S for sweetener, which is agave. And some things you're going to notice I'm going to repeat on every live because it's just that important. So I'll tell you another thing about this drink in a few minutes. A for S for sweetener. That kind of helps it to not be so strong. And for some people, they're like, ew, all those ingredients probably taste nasty. No, it's not bad at all. And E for extra virgin olive oil. And that's 1 tablespoon. And those of you that are just finding out about this drink, I finally uploaded all 8 videos yesterday, 9. So I'll be posting them on YouTube little by little. So this is the Claus drink, C-L-A-W-S-E. Now, for me, if you noticed, I took the apple cider vinegar and I placed it on the side. I'm going to take it as a shot. Now, what I want to explain to you about this drink, you have to be very mindful. You have 2 acidic ingredients in this drink. You have lemon and you have apple cider vinegar. You must, to save your teeth, to protect your teeth, especially if you want to do this for 365 days, if you want to be able to do it every day of the year because it's so healthy for your body, you want to be sure you protect your teeth. How do you protect your teeth? 1, you make this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. Why? Because when you wake up in the morning, your mouth is full of bacteria. Good morning. That bacteria protects the enamel of your teeth. So when you drink this drink and the acid is lingering in your teeth, it's not affecting your enamel. Now, if you brush your teeth, you remove all the bacteria, then you go have this drink that has apple cider vinegar and lemon, which are both acidic. You don't rinse your mouth when it's done. That acid is just sitting in your teeth, eating up your enamel little by little. And I have a daughter that used to love chewing on lemon, putting the lemon in her mouth, just sucking the lemon juice. And guess what? Her teeth are really messed up. You can know that, you can see that her teeth are it's not white. It's almost like you can see the coating of the enamel has come off her teeth. And it's now at an older age. She's like, Mom, how can I fix my teeth? You can't. Once the enamel starts deteriorating on your teeth, you can't bring that back. So if you want to enjoy this drink to the fullest potential, please protect your teeth. 1, again, drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. 2, it's better to drink it through a straw. So you still don't have any acid touching your teeth. It's more towards the back and down your throat. And 3, rinse your mouth when you finish drinking the juice. So any residue left in your mouth, you've already rinsed that out. Now for me, I know the apple cider vinegar really, really irritates me to the point that I can't even put it in the juice. So what I do, I take a shot of apple cider vinegar. And when I take that shot, the apple cider vinegar goes directly in my throat, down my throat. So it's not touching anywhere in my mouth. And that's helped me because the first day I forgot how sensitive my teeth is to apple cider vinegar. And I had it in this and I drank the whole thing, just drank it. And the next day my teeth were very sensitive. So please be mindful. It's very important, especially if you want to do this journey for a long time. So here's to apple cider vinegar. It went right there down my throat. Now with this, if I'm telling you to drink this 30 minutes before brushing your teeth, that means I didn't brush my teeth yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink this, and then I will rinse my mouth. Now, with me, I don't have both acids in here, so I'm okay with just drinking it with the lemon in there. It's not gonna bother my teeth, but having both is really strong, so please be careful. Again, I'm gonna jump on later, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of cayenne pepper. So please stay tuned. I'm not sure around what time, but if you're, good morning. If you're not on live when I jump in on later to talk about cayenne pepper, it's so funny. I'm feeling so mucusy this morning, which is good. If you're not on to watch the benefits of cayenne pepper later on today, don't worry. I will post it on a replay on Instagram and on Facebook. It will be posted and you could watch it at a later time today. Okay, guys? Thank you for joining me. If you're doing this drink, take pictures, take a little video. I want to share your journey with others, because me telling people is one thing, but people seeing other people do it and I could post it and I could share their results, that's just going to empower a lot more people to go ahead and cleanse out their system and feel healthier. Because at the end of the day, we all want to feel healthier without breaking our pockets by going to the doctor all the time, being sick all the time, in and out of hospital, not understanding what's going on with our body. So to get to the root of our mind, body, skin, and hair, we have to start within. Thank you, guys. Let me just read any comments real quick. Good morning, Dave. I missed a video. Can you message me the ingredients? My coworker and I are starting tomorrow morning. Okay, let me say the ingredients real quick. Cayenne pepper, a dash of cayenne pepper. L for lemon, half a lemon. Remember, claws. CLAWSE. And I love that Doriel put that acronym together because it makes it easier to remember. So think claws. C for cayenne pepper. L for lemon. A for apple cider vinegar. W for water. S for sweetener. E for EVOO. Yay! I used to do this all the time with my kids and make a song. So there you go. Claws, CLAWSE. So I got distracted with my song. C for cayenne pepper, just a dash. L, half a lemon. A, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I don't have Bragg's this time, but I have an organic apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon. Water, 8 ounces. S, agave, 1 tablespoon. Extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. So whatever you have to pour in the drink is 1 tablespoon, except the cayenne pepper. You put a dash, okay? Hopefully that helps. Send them to the Claw Squad. Yes, the ones that are asking me questions are part of the Claw Squad, which is amazing. So if you're not on the Claw Squad, and you're on Facebook, look up Claws Squad and join that group, because you will be in a community with other people that's been doing this drink for over 100 days, majority of them. And then you'll see us new babies just coming in and popping up with our 9 and 10 days, which is still very exciting. So Avery was dancing to my song. Yay! Watch she'll be around the house talking about C is for cayenne pepper, L is for lemon. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining. I look forward to hearing and seeing, and you can text me about your journey, send me pictures on DM and Facebook. May you guys have a healthy and blessed day. I will catch you guys later on Instagram and Facebook. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.